fam, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time tuning on, you're welcome and thanks so much for joining. My name is Carrie and here we just talk about skincare lifestyle. We make sure you stay fit, healthy, and we make sure you're looking good. This is summer and you're not gonna be left out, so trust me, I will always make sure you are looking the best version of yourself. This ain't Texas. I love being your love. So last time I went on live stream and I was talking about healthy drinks that you could actually drink this summer in order to keep yourself healthy, hydrated, and to boost that energy and include more vitamins into your skin, because you need that, your skin needs that. So I will come up with this natural drink, one of the drinks which do contains lots and lots of vitamin A and carotene as well. And this drink is none other than our carrot drink. Okay, so before we continue, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please be sure to click on the button that says subscribe, like this video, share with your friends, and make sure you comment down below if you love it, if you try the drink out. Okay guys, so please stay tuned. So guys, we have come to the end of this video and I hope you enjoyed the drink. I hope you tried it by yourself, and please do not forget to comment down below if you actually tried this natural drink. Trust me, it's just all about carrots mixed with ginger and mixed with lemon. It's a very nutritious and hydrating drink, and it's also full and packed with vitamins that will actually help your skin glow and help you stay healthy. So guys, why not go ahead, try this drink and tell me what you think. Okay guys, from my love to yours, I say bye bye.